Slowly up to. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more mocktail boba beach mocktail. How to make boba beach mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add 20 ml of boba syrup. Just you have to add 20 ml of boba syrup. Then you have to squeeze fresh lemon. Two fresh lemon you have to squeeze for this mocktail. One more lemon. Two lemon you have to. After that, you have to add some 60 ml of pineapple juice. That's it. Then simply we have to add ice cubes. Lots of ice cube. Then shake all the ingredients. Then take in a type of glass and add. Then simply you have to add some Sprite. After that, take another glass, add some blue cocoa syrup, and you have to add soda. Slowly you have to pour the things. Yeah, the fancy color can. That's it. See, it's totally actually different. You can garnish with lime slices and one garnish umbrella, and you can serve with. Slowly you have to pour that. That's it. This is the Boa Beach mocktail. See how the fancy color came. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.